Alright, another video. So, this, I think I'll do a teardown actually, you know? I'm moving house, moving city, like end of the year, maybe. But we're just sorting throughout all of our crap. And my wife, she actually brought some kind of, like, water mister. And so what this does, I don't know the use for this actually. But like, for example, yeah, I have my computer open sitting right there. I'll plug this into a power bank, like so, and I will push, oh, it's got a little smiley face, and I'll push the button like so. Oh, something's happening. Try to focus on this. Come on, you can do it. Alright, so you can see a little bit of mist coming off. I'm guessing it's just, I don't know what it is. So, it's supposed to make things humid. Feel good on your face? Make your face cooler? I don't know. I don't know what this. I think dust is getting through there as well. Okay. So, yeah, we'll turn that off. Yuck. We didn't use this in more than a year, and it's probably going to become junk. So I guess that's why I decided to tear this down instead. Alright, so I'll use my desk. Yeah, I use my desk for this. So, hang a bang. Alright, let's try and find some of this crap. Okay. Front and center. Alright, so typical USB A or something. Next, I think this can fit in there. Now I don't expect to find much in here, but let's have a look anyway. This is like my only magnetic screwdriver. Come on, don't embarrass me in front of my friends. Alright, let's try this one. Okay. So the ends of these screws are not flat. So they're meant to dig in to something. Now this one, my friend, there's always one, isn't there? You know, the other month I was repairing a GPU. Actually, yeah, I have the shroud over here. Nope, this is gonna be deadly. It's got all the screws still loose. Let's see if I can catch them. Yeah. Cool, so this is an Radeon FX 7770. Well, I live in China, so like the variants of AMD products, I guess, have their own logo. So this one says like Wangba, which means like internet cafe. I can't focus there. Anyway, XFX, yeah. This one. Maybe if you've seen Dragon Ball Z, if you notice Piccolo, he has a logo on his shirt. Looks exactly like this. It's like Mo, or means like devil or monster or something. Anyway, this is the monster. What was it? Yes. And the reason why I mentioned that was because one of the screws was screwed in so tight that I had to drill it out. And yeah, now this one, come on, Do I have another screwdriver? Yeah, another chance. Okay. These are just all the screwdrivers I got from, you know, all these self-repair kits. No, I need a bigger. Yeah, a little bigger one. Is this bigger? No. It's like the same. Alright, bigger one. Now this screwdriver has some history to it. That I might disclose in another video. Anyway, that works. We will recover this device, but it is just going to go to the junk pile anyway. If that's everything. No fingernails to pry it open. Okay, here we go. Cool. Awesome. So what can we see right off the bat? I can see a transformer. Let's bring this closer. I'll try and have a look on my own screen. Alright. That looks okay. Let's make my screen bigger. Alright. So we got our switch on, off, we got our LED, a resistor. Well, everything's quite well labeled. Some kind of MOSFET, the transformer, capacitor, resistor. Can I pull it up? No, it's in. Okay, maybe it's glued in. Nothing interesting. Oh well. Sorry, bud. Let's just pop it back in there. Yep. I don't have my camera on autofocus because I've had to do 2 takes of 2 videos I just recorded before, and yeah. So yeah, so that's that part. Now how about this part? Now this, okay, let's start off by getting it out. No, need my screwdriver that goes around corners. You know, screwdrivers are really awesome tools. Hey, you know what I like? Everything is the same. You know, I just opened up my... I've opened it up before. I just opened up my Chromebook. It has all of the screws in the entire Chromebook. There are only 2 types of screws. And you could just label them short screws, long screws. Long screws for the, you know, the bottom, the case cover, short screws to stick the board in. That's awesome. I've opened up laptops and they've had numerous different kind of screws. But the Chromebook I opened, freaking easy. Did not swear. Ah, maybe that's something I missed as well. In the light we couldn't see, but now, focus. Yes, we can see. These look like LEDs. Let me get something to point with. The stick thing. Whenever you buy a repair kit, always keep the pieces that come with it because they're really, really useful. Alright, yeah, these are all LEDs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. Now this is a... see? This is going to be useful. I knew it. It's got a little tooth there that I'm gonna hopefully hook up under. Yeah, awesome. Okay, again, nothing interesting on the bottom. So a couple of wires coming up there. Yep, awesome. This thing is just coming apart. Oops, that was wet. So, yeah, that was wet. So I assume this is one part where water comes up. Luckily I'm recording this because I wouldn't know where everything went after that. Now this, I have no idea what this is. Feels like you're rubbing against the speaker. This is obviously just dirt. Probably booked up from all the crap water I put in here, you know? We're not really allowed to drink the tap water here because it's full of like heavy metals and germs and crap. So I guess we just use the tap water for this, and then we just got a massive build-up of just gunk. That was that way, wasn't it? Let's put that one in first. Stick. Now if you're wondering, this like mat that I'm using, I needed a mouse pad for my table, but I just thought I'll just pick a funny one. So this, in all its humor, is just to discourage you from being fat. It's like oh here, fat pounds. This is like fatty kind of thing. Somewhere else it says nobody likes fat belly. This one's like, over here it says something like pig over here. Eat a little, you want to die. Yeah, so this is really horrible. Yeah, that's what it means, pig. You just you're just happy. Happy being a pig or something like that. What am I doing? This one goes next. Not that I'll use this again, probably. Teardown videos, yeah. Oh no. Does it go this way? Perhaps. Upside down. I'm just putting this back together. Next we're just going to look at the filter. Looks like a filter of some kind. Come out! Come out! Come out, please! Alright. This way, huh? And this way. Yep, that's how it goes. So yeah, you go down there. There are some YouTubers I follow, and some I just recently started following, like that guy with the beard. Big Clive. I'm probably just gonna put this on Odyssey, library, whatever they want to call it, because just cause. Okay. I'm at my wit's end with this one right now. I don't want this video to be, it looks like it's gonna be 20 minutes long. Okay. Leave you there. Next, we're gonna look at this filter. Now, over here, hard to see, but we've got lines, obviously where it can suck water in. Over here, there's like a spring. I guess you can change the filter. This is different. Yeah, this is cool. Okay, that's not going to go on easily. Yes, this is exactly like a filter. Look at that. I focus on my hand. Yes. Now I bet when this came out of the factory, this was all white. I used to work in a restaurant, and we have a big fat water filter. And when we change the filters, all of this will be like dark color and the outside white color. When we get a new filter, yeah, you know what I mean. Yeah, so this is just a filter. And in here, it's just like nothing. Obviously no electricity flows through this part. Alright, let's pray for it. Yeah, it worked. Yay. Okay, so water gets sucked up through this filter. Focus. So through a filter, okay, I guess you need to get it up somehow. Through a filter, and then through here. So I'm guessing, because these obviously are just, you know, powering the pretty LEDs, this is the magic. This thing does all the magic of sucking water through, or turning the water into mist, mystifying the water. Oh well, anyway, let's put it all back together. Yes. The poor guy or girl who assembled this. But I mean, if you're doing this all day, it'll probably be easier after time. I mean, it's not very economical to pay me to put this together. Come on. Jesus. See? When you get to fix the phone camera, fix the phone screen, battery kits, you get all these useful tools. I'm not really showing how useful they are right now though, but no. This goes on in a specific way. This way. No. This way. Yes. And you. Get down. This guy is not in the right place yet. And then where are my screw holes? Yes. Yep, another advantage, using all of the same screws. Oh, need to use my go around corners screwdriver for this. Cool. Now, yeah, I have no idea what the hell this thing is called. Water mister. I got it. My wife buys all these silly little things. I got one that looks like a dehumidifier, but its function is the opposite of a dehumidifier, so it is like a humidifier. So you load it up with water, and then water spills out the top in the form of a mist. Now you can direct it in a certain direction. And I told my wife, I'm like, hey, you like to sit on the, like recently she is taken to sitting on the floor and doing her studies on the laptop on the floor. And sometimes she would turn the mister on. And I'm like, hey, you know that's water, right? Too much of that gets on your laptop, then you're gonna need your laptop. It's one of those. Well, I did some research and I found a laptop for her. It's a Xiaomi. Oh, who makes the Yoga? Xiaomi Yoga? Huawei Yoga? I forgot. Yoga something. Quad core i7. I think it's got 16 gigs of RAM. But the thing that I wanted from it, it's for her. But the thing that she needed was like a touchscreen, because a lot of her study she was doing before was like drawing in her book. Like she had many books, many pieces of paper, and she would spend so much time writing down, well, pretty much whatever's in the book, and then making notes on it. But now that's like probably 10% of the time. Now she just writes everything on the computer, on the screen, because it's touch screen. And I'm kind of jealous because wow, I want the computer now. Touch screens are awesome. Just fine. Alright, so water mister thing. Use case, I don't know. Make yourself wet slowly. Make yourself slowly wet in a non-way you're probably thinking. Couldn't have cost more than $5. If it cost more than $5, I'll be very surprised. Seems like you can extract the filter easily, replace it, so you can get clean water mystifying on your face. It's again water, so don't let it spill out all over your electronics. It's not water cooling for the computer. Anyway, I hope somebody found this interesting. Simple device. Makes water into mist. Thanks for watching. See ya. And upon editing my video, I found that a long press does something. Off, on. You can still see the mist shooting out of it, and it just changes color by itself. It is very bright. Very cool.